Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We're doing a tune-up report on the DX-98VHP. This is for Hughroy in New York. He asked us to put an amp switch in the back, receiver improvement bod, and these nitro knobs here in the front, as you can see, and we've got those hooked up to this dimmer switch that dims everything all down at once. Okay, and our power is all the way down. We're on AM. Let's take a look over here. We got 10 watts on the top scale. All the way down is about 6. So I'm going to put it on a 100-watt scale. Turn the power all the way up. She goes up to 60. Now over here, my peak reading meter, I got a 500-watt slug. We're reading power in the middle scale. That means that's 200, 300, 100, 150, 250 is that little line right there. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. Okay, about 240. On sideband, let me turn this radio down. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the sideband waveform. I think I forgot to show you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. Yeah, there's an amp switch in the back, so let's show you that real quick. We'll take this off. We'll put a 50 slug in over here. We'll turn this back down to 10-watt range. Turn the power all the way down. And back on AM, let's look again. Power all the way down. Just under 1 watt. Power all the way up. About 5. With a peak power. Audio. Almost right to the 40 mark there. Goes down on the sideband. Audio. Right about to the 30. Okay. So that's what she does with the amplifier turned off in the back. Let's see what we got on here. Nobody as usual. Add breaker 19 for a radio check. Working, Tom. 10-1, it's working. I appreciate it.